Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have another band themed box. I already did a Stitch Fix that was band themed items. Today I am doing a mix and match. Now what inspired me to order this box was a couple of pieces that they have on Instagram that I just absolutely fell in love with, and I will tell you what those pieces are when I get to them. And then for the rest of the pieces of the box, I again told them to be inspired by the band Echo Smith, to look at their style because I really like their style, so stick around to see what's in here. If this is your first time to my channel, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of fashion related videos, from shopping hauls to styling service to fashion events, and hopefully that sounds interesting to you and you will consider subscribing below because I would greatly appreciate it. Return viewers, I thank you guys so much. I greatly appreciate you guys. Now let's get to this box. Okay, first of all, if you see a tag here, it's because I am still filming my Stitch Fix, and I haven't decided what I was keeping, but I love this sweater. I think this one will end up staying. I haven't looked at the prices yet. I'm just filming them together, so hopefully this is affordable. Anyways, that's beside the point. If you watch my Stitch Fix video, I'm sure I have it all figured out. So, mix and match. Let's talk about it while I open this box up. Okay, mix and match, they are a styling service. They have a couple of options. I just did, you can do like a monthly, and I think it's $5 styling fee for that, which does get taken off at anything you purchase, or you can do ad hoc, which I did, which was just $20 or $25, I'll put below. That styling fee, and again, it gets applied to anything you purchase. So I just went again with the one-time box because I don't really want to commit to a monthly right now, and I figure I'd spend at least 20 bucks on this, I'm sure. So same as the others, I think in this one they send you 6 items and you do get 25% off if you buy 5 or more items, so that's great. And the great thing about mix and match is you do interact with the stylist a little bit more than you would like a Stitch Fix, where you actually email back and forth. So I emailed my request for this box. She had a couple of questions and we kind of went back and forth a little bit. So I think that's really great about mix and match. And my stylist is Faith, which I believe there's other YouTubers that have Faith as well, and she's a great stylist. So I'm super excited about this. So like I said, there were a couple of pieces off of Instagram that I just fell in love with, and I said send them to me. And one was a jacket, and she was concerned with the price point because it is above my price point, but I loved it so much I said if I love it enough I will pay that, go ahead and send it to me. And then the other was a dress, which that particular dress doesn't come in an extra small, so she went ahead and sent me a small. So those pieces might not end up working out, but I'm happy to at least try them because I have been thinking about them, and so I will be at peace once I get a chance to try them. So no idea what's in here other than those 2 pieces, and I am excited to see. This is my beautiful bundle, and let's go ahead and dive on in. This is my favorite part. Well, trying on is fun too, but I think this is my favorite. Okay, so we have this Gilly animal print dress. Oh, I love this. Okay, so what animal is this? Is this cheetah? I think this is cheetah. And this is $32, size small, and has a short sleeve here and a little bit of a V-neck on the front. And then what I like about it is the shape of it. It looks like a little bit of a fit and flare, which is kind of my favorite type of style fit. And 32 bucks, that's a great deal. So really happy with that. This beauty is the one that I requested off of Instagram. This is also Gilly in a small. It is $42. And I love a black with a red and black with a dark pink. I just think it's just so beautiful together. So we have this kind of faux wrap front here, deep V front and back, and then this skirt here, which again is not too fitted, I don't believe, and then even kind of a ruffle here at the end. I probably can't see that, but trust me, it's there. So it's as gorgeous as I pictured it. I'm glad it's a small because, you know, I don't want it to be too clingy around my rump, and so the biggest thing will be, you know, how does this wrap sit on there? and, you know, do I feel like, you know, it's too deep. So we'll see, but really happy with that. Next, we have this Down East top, and it is $38 and an extra small, and it is a mixed print with striped sleeves here and then floral in the middle. I like this style a lot, but this particular floral is really not my cup of tea, so you guys can take a good look at that. It's just a little bit too much, I guess I would say. I like a kind of a, I'm not a huge floral person, so anytime that I do florals, it's like a very simplified, like this, a very simple floral, and I think this is just a little bit too much for me, but I love that style. Okay, next up we have this white birch, and this is $32. Man, these prices are awesome. And this is a beautiful lace top with like a nude color underneath it and across front. And I love, love lace overlay tops. Love them. I have 100 of them, and I would love 100 more. So there's a good chance this might end up staying with me. This is a small, it does look a little bit big, so we shall see. And then we have from Spotlight, this is $39, size small. Ooh, this is pretty. This is a sleeveless blouse. It also has kind of a, almost like a faux wrap to it, but it's straight down. So this kind of opens up here, opens up all the way. And then it has this elastic here on the front, probably to give it kind of a little bit of a tucked look. So I definitely like this. Kind of looks animal printy, but it's not really. So I like this. I have, you know, some pink cardigans or blazers that I could throw on over this, or brown or black. So it's very versatile. It's a small, and honestly it looks a little bit big. So again, we'll see how that fits. Next up we have Hammer Jeans. I shouldn't have done that. I don't know why the name Hammered Jeans wanted me to do that, but it did. Okay, so this is a size 1, and these are $45, and this is a light wash with quite a bit of distressing on them. I really like the distressing on these though. I think it's this. I've kind of been interested in this distressing at the ankle. I don't know why, I just think it's a cute detail. Now, interestingly, they sent one with kind of a roll on it so you can still see the distressing. So it's kind of tucked under and out, whereas, you know, usually just kind of flipping over. This is kind of a interesting way to roll it and still show off the distressing. So that's interesting. Great price again. Excited to try these on. And the other piece is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful piece. We have the camo bomber jacket. Oh, and it's, okay, sorry. This is Liverpool. This is one that she warned me was going to be outside of my price point, but I was just desperate to try it. It's a very dark camo, which I do like that. And like I said, I'm very interested in bomber jackets. So I can't wait to try this on and see if I fall in love with it. Honestly, I hope that I don't, because how much is this? $119. Yeah, like I said, she warned me. She warned me. So, okay, really, really great box. Really happy with this. Cannot wait to try this stuff on. So let's get to it. Okay, well, I just ordered pizza, so we'll see how much filming we can get done before pizza gets here. So, I have the dress on. A little tidbit is you can generally tell what I'm most excited to try on, because I tend to do the try-on portion of filming in the order of my personal excitement of trying stuff on. So, this was my most exciting piece to try on, and I really, really like it. Again, like I said, I love the black and the pink together. I think it's gorgeous. I like the little ruffle at the bottom. The wrap is not bad. I don't have a problem with it. So I think that's working. Here's the back, V back. Guess you guys need to see it, not me. So, only thing that's I don't 100% love is, I'm going to actually get close to the camera for this. There's a waistline seam here, and it feels a little bit low. Like I almost wish it was petite and the waistline was like right up here instead of down here. I mean, it's such a small little thing, but that's how I feel. So, I don't know. You guys can let me know what you think. But overall, I love it. So weird, slightly low waistline or not, I think it's beautiful. So happy with it. This is a 360. It fits like a glove. I ran it past my husband, and I think his words were, it's classic yet modern, and it fits me really well. And you worded it beautifully, and I was like, dude, you should be a stylist because that was beautiful. So anyways, since I'm trying on dresses, let's go ahead and get the animal print dress on next. Okay, here it is, and I like it. It is, again, very trendy with it being a animal print. Is this cheetah? Is this leopard? I don't know. I think it's cheetah maybe. And I like kind of the fit and flare because then I've got lots of room. There's no snugness here, which I appreciate. My only downside was I felt like this was made for a bit bustier person maybe, but it's okay. It's not too low. And I think it's a good fit, and again, modern. I'd love to throw a black jacket, black cardigan, something like that over this, or even a pop of color with maybe a red type jacket. So, I don't know. I mean, this was affordable, so I'm going to make sure to look in the mirror on this one before I do the recap so I can give you guys better feedback. I should have done that before this, but it is what it is. Okay, and probably to no surprise to any of you guys, the next exciting thing I was to try on is this bomber jacket. And I actually have some mixed feelings on this. So, first of all, when I leave it unzipped, now I put it on with a black t-shirt, and I regret that because you guys are not going to be able to see this as well as I hoped. But it kind of comes to the side. Here's my problem. Sorry, I'm having trouble articulating. So here's my problem. It feels like the bottom part of this jacket is just, they're too tight. So when I wear it open, it goes out like this. And I kind of wish it had more of like a straight up and down look to it. Maybe that's how bomber jackets are supposed to be. And then even when I zip it up, it's just very slim through this half, and then a bit baggier up here. And so I love the jacket. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I'm just not sure it's the right fit for me. Oh, it's so beautiful though. I can't get over how beautiful it is. So I don't know. I might have had different feelings for it if I hadn't tried another bomber jacket from Ever Eve. I don't know if that video will be before or after this one, but make sure you watch my Ever Eve haul because I got a really great jacket in there. And so, I don't know. I'm not loving it as much as I hope to love it, but also, like I said, it's $119, so I wasn't hoping to love it. And I just think, I'm just not feeling like it's the perfect fit. So, I'd love to hear you guys' opinions on this. Please tell me what you think. Okay, now, the jeans. First of all, without the roll, they are too long. It just kind of goes past my, down too far here. With the roll that she did, you know, it looks great, but I'm just not sure that I'm not sure that I love the roll or want to have to do that. Again, I'm so glad that she sent these to me because I love trying jeans. This is a new brand to me, and they fit great. Kind of a mid-rise, but good snugness, no gapping in the waist. Really happy with these jeans. Just think lengthwise they're not going to work with this kind of distressing. So, alright, let's try on another top. Okay, so, love this top. Love the lace overlay. I'm not a huge crisscross person, but I don't really mind it just because it does make it a little bit interesting. And it fits great up here. There's no extra room or anything like that. My only question is it a little bit too long? What do you guys think? I've tried on a few of these lace tops that just seem like they're super long, and I'm just not sure if I love that. But I do like the shirt. I like it a lot. It's very pretty. So, let's keep going. Okay, now we have this sort of animal print top, and I just It's not a great fit on me. First of all, I love the colors of it. I really, really like the colors of it. I like that it's sort of animal print, but not, because it's like, what animal is that? And I like the elastic here and even the full front here, but it's just like, there's just this weird extra fabric right here that's just sitting out here, not great. Other than that, you know, it's a good fit. I mean, I think I would size down if I could, but I'm assuming that they sent me the small size available on this. Again, just kind of open, but, and they do have a button here. So I like it, it's just not a good fit for me. Now, I will say this shirt is super soft, super light. I could wear this spring, summer, fall easily, and I really like this style, the mixed print, and I just think if they replace this print with more simple floral print, this would be mine. But this print is just not my favorite at all, so that's too bad. But alright, so time to recap, and I will let you guys know what I decided to keep. Okay, final thoughts. So first of all, they give you an envelope with your price sheet and stylus note and your mailer to return back. They are UPS, which is not my favorite. I prefer USPS, but that's fine. And so let's go ahead and go through the prices and what I decided to keep. So first of all, I am wearing the white birch sleeveless v-neck top, and this is $32, really affordable. But I put this on to look in the mirror, and I decided to keep it on so you guys can see it. There's like this, you know, it's kind of the nude color underneath, and there's kind of a weird misshapenness happening. And then also when it comes to cross straps, sorry, I'm staring at myself here in the viewfinder. When it comes to cross straps, I'm kind of particular that they lay flat and taut. This kind of goes kind of out and then down, and it's just not perfect. So I will not be keeping this piece, though it is great priced. This dress, this was the Gilly Black Floral Surplice Knit Wrap Dress, and it was $42, and I absolutely love it. So it is staying. I am very happy to have it. Thanks. All right, this is the Spotlight leopard print sleeveless v-neck top, and it is $39. It was just not a good fit on me. I really do like the top. I love the colors in it. Just was not a good fit on me. And then we had the Gilly Black and Tan Cheetah. Okay, I nailed it. It's Cheetah. And it is $32. Great price. Still not sure on this piece. Even when I looked in the mirror, I felt like there was just this extra fabric here in the chest area, like it was meant for somebody with a larger chest than I have, which I get. I do not have a large chest, so. But I really do like this dress. It's a fun, playful fit. It's affordable. I'm not gonna find, you know, a dress like this for less than 32 bucks. So I don't know for sure. Liverpool bomber jacket, $119. I loved it in pictures. I didn't love the tight waist on it. And maybe that's how bombers are supposed to be. I don't know, but it just didn't feel like the perfect fit for me, so I'm not gonna pay $119 for it. Then we had the Down East Garden Party baseball tee, and this is $38. Again, this print. No thank you. So, and then the hammer jeans. I just didn't love the way the ankle distressing looked on me being too short for them. So otherwise they might have been keepers, but alas, I will not keep. So the keepers would be just this dress here and maybe this dress, but let me know what you guys think and you can help me make the decision on that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I had a lot of fun with the pieces I requested and having kind of the band theme to it. Let me know what you guys thought. If you are interested in trying Mix and Match, I do have a referral link below. If you are not subscribed, I would greatly appreciate it if you subscribed and give this video a thumbs up, and hopefully you enjoyed it, and hopefully I will see you in the next video.